episode 1 of What's Inside. This episode is What's Inside of Volleyball. Wait. Episode 2 of What's Inside of Volleyball. We are finally getting inside the volleyball. It looks like we're reached the core. Looks like we reached it. Episode 3 of What's Inside. This is episode 3, part 3 of What's Inside of Volleyball. We're getting inside and we've reached the core. This is part 4. And knife wielder, go! We are going inside. This is part 5, the finale of What's Inside. And at least we hope it's part 5, the finale. Okay, never mind, it's not part 5. We're ripping it open. We hope this is part 6, the finale. This is part 6, okay? We have 15-second videos all the time we have.
Really hard to rip. Now let's let the knife cutter do it.
Okay.
What?